Okay, so this is a quick explanation video for this electric guitar dog toy that we modified into a flamethrower guitar, made by myself, Karmania Malhotra, Kevin Yang, Roshan, Diego, and Tinu at Outernet. So, this is where our fuel is this sunscreen bottle. It's flammable. So we realized that Febreze said it was not flammable, which meant it's possible other aerosolized things are flammable. So we tried setting them on fire, and yay, they work. So the ball just goes on like this. I'll take it out to demonstrate the mechanism. But we have a camshaft back here, and the motor is stolen from an RC car, so it's a really high torque motor. It runs at 5 volts. It's just a gearbox in this assembly right here. If I could get... Okay. And then a camshaft just rotates to like press this down. And that's the holder mechanism that has screw holes, and we just screwed it through the poor dog. And other mounting stuff. And then these screws are sanded off screws that are soldered onto wires, and the wires go to our high voltage AC converter module, aka a taser. So these wires go to the taser, and this converts like 3, 4, 5 volts DC into several 10,000 volts AC. And the taser then gets power from our electronics box. So we basically took the buttons of this, buttons and strings, which are also practically buttons, and we took out we just modded into the guitar so as to not modify the whole circuit, but we just took some of it, and it's coming in through jumpers onto this perf board we designed. And it's a battery we made from individual cells in BMC and soldered ourselves. And that's a buck converter. This runs at like 11.7 or some 3 cell. And then switch, buck converter, and then that goes, that converts to 5 volts. And because we plan to put on NeoPixels. We had a whole bunch of WS2011 12 volt NeoPixels. Someone took them, so now we don't have them. But yeah, 12 volts powers that directly, and then 5 volts is our relay, which powers turns on and off the taser, and our Arduino, and the motor driver, which is just a stepper motor driver, but we only need to turn the motor in like one direction. Simple DC motor, not very high current, like 150 milliamps or so. So just a simple driver. And we had this spot for the NeoPixels. We never ended up using them due to time constraints. We finished our project like 10, 20, 30 minutes late. But it was epic and it was amazing. So I'll put in some demo videos after this.